well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.6 thousand, which is incredible, and I would love to hit 10k by the end of the year. I know it's probably very wishful thinking, but if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do and help me get there. That would be amazing. But in today's video, we are going to be doing another segment of my LUSH collection. You guys have seen, I did an entire LUSH collection video a while ago where I just kind of showed you the storage and just roughly how much I had. However, a lot of you guys did say that you still wanted to see the kind of individual segments, so I'm going to do massage bars today. I've not done it yet, and I have quite a few. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, probably about 20 massage bars, which is a lot for somebody that doesn't really use them that often. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to jump into the video. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Before we get into my collection, I do just want to briefly talk about a jewellery company. Now, this segment of the video is ever so kindly sponsored by Ana Luisa. You guys know I've worked with Ana Luisa over the past year now, and I absolutely love Ana Luisa so much. You guys know I would never promote anything if I didn't truly love the company, and I've worked with them numerous times now for me to really appreciate and love the products that they sell, and this section is ever so kindly sponsored, so I'm going to talk about them for a little bit. I hope you guys don't mind. Honestly, it's worth it. Stick around, listen to what I have to say, because these pieces are beautiful. So at the moment, Ana Luisa are currently running their biggest sale of the year, which is insane. So this sale is a buy one get one 60% off, which is absolutely incredible. Now, obviously I know a lot of people are probably looking for Christmas presents. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I have been Christmas present hunting for the past month already. I'm a big Christmas present over the past few months kind of gal, do you know what I mean? However, if you are still struggling to buy Christmas presents for people or birthday presents, or if you want to buy yourself a nice gift, this is the perfect time, because you get 60% off your second item, which is absolutely incredible. I love a good sale, and I just really wanted to share this with you, because honestly, you gotta save some coins, do you know what I mean? So not only did Ana Luisa supply really beautiful, dainty, chunky pieces for everybody to suit everyone's tastes, they are also really into helping the environment and also just being as planet friendly as possible, which I absolutely love. So they use FSC certified recycled cardboard, paper, they look into their materials and everything like that, and it's all on the website. Do have a look, because reading on it is so interesting, and you just forget about these little things that other companies don't do, that Ana Luisa do, and it's just absolutely amazing. So as well as sponsoring the segment of the video, Ana Luisa ever so kindly sent me 3 new pieces to share with you guys, and my Ana Luisa jewellery collection is vastly growing. I have a lot of Ana Luisa jewellery, and I'm not complaining, because it's all beautiful. So this is what I got sent. Obviously this is the cardboard box, and as well as obviously giving you the recycled cardboard box, you also receive these pouches which your jewellery is in, and these are brilliant to reuse for little knickknacks in your purse, or there is one that's more kind of credit card sized, which I absolutely love the idea. If you're going to go on a night out and you don't want to take your big purse with all your belongings, just grab one of these, or for change. I just think these are brilliant, and they're so stunning, and they've really upped their game over the past year on their packaging and everything. These are just absolutely beautiful, and I love them. So let's go through the pieces, because I can't wait any longer. I really want to wear them, and they've been in my room waiting for me to film this video, so let's dive in. So the first item that I chose were these absolutely stunning boa earrings. Now these retail for $49, and obviously with the discount that you could get with the 60% off, they are so incredibly affordable, but these are stunning. Now these are really beautiful, really dainty, but also have a beautiful statement as well, and I absolutely love these, so I will be popping these in a moment, because I just I can't resist. Love a good pair of earrings, honestly. Beautiful. The second item that I chose is this beautiful Alexa Sunshine necklace. Now Alexa is a wonderful YouTuber. She collaborated with Ana Luisa and brought out this amazing necklace, and I could not pick this. It's absolutely stunning. I love a dainty, beautiful necklace like this. 10 out of 10, obsessed. And this one retails for $59, but obviously with the sale, again, so affordable. beautiful. And lastly, I chose the summer necklace set. Now this one does retail for $115, so it is a little bit more expensive. However, obviously you can use them together, you can wear them separately, and I love a layering piece. I layer my jewellery all the time, so I just absolutely love this. And again, you could even layer it with the sunshine necklace if you wanted to, with these earrings. I love it. I'm gonna have to put them on because honestly, beautiful. So let's put these on. So now I have all of the pieces on. I absolutely love it all, and again, thank you so much, Anna Louisa, for helping my channel and supporting me and allowing me to do this. I absolutely am in love with all my pieces, and again guys, check them out, have a little look, and I hope you guys enjoy. So without further ado now, let's dive in to my massage bar collection. I hope you guys enjoy. So the first one I want to talk about is this. This is the Goth Fairy Massage Bar, which came out for Christmas a few years ago. Smells like Parma Violets. To me, it smells like Space Girl. It's such a beautiful fragrance, and obviously with this, because it is a shimmer bar, the whole purpose of it is to put it on your skin and it leaves you with a beautiful kind of silver, glittery, luster kind of vibe, and I absolutely love this. Beautiful smell. Love it. If you're not into glitter, you won't like this one so much, I'm not gonna lie, but if you love a sparkle, this one's for you. Obsessed. And I'm really sad that you can't buy it anymore because honestly, it was a beautiful product. So yeah. The next item is this. I believe this was called the Naked Attraction Massage Bar. This one came out for Valentine's Day of 2020? Or was it this year? I can't remember. Or was it the year before? I can't remember. This one has a really beautiful light lemony smell to it. Really subtle, but again, really, really beautiful. It has a very sherbety kind of smell. Oh, so, so good. I wish you could buy this one all year round because the scent of this is so comforting and fresh. Such a lovely, lovely fragrance. Next up, we have the Wiki Magic Muscles. This is not my favourite, I'm not gonna lie. It's one of those massage bars that is very spicy, very warming, very clovey. Great for achy muscles and achy joints. It's amazing, but for me, the smell is so overpowering. It's very, very strong, so it's not my cup of tea, but I do love it for the actual functionality of it. I do get achy joints, so this is brilliant for me. And it's wonderful. What I will say is do not use any of these. I mean, you could use them in the shower, not gonna lie, but these beans will start to sprout plants if they get caught in your drain. So I probably wouldn't recommend using this one just for that reason. But yeah, it's a brilliant massage bar apart from that. Next up, we have two Snow Fairy massage bars. I'm not actually gonna unpackage these because these are firstly very old and secondly uber melty. Like one touch and my hand will be pink, so I'm not going to unravel these ones. But I did cut this one. I'm not really sure why I did that. I can't remember, but you guys can see there's a lot of glitter in there, but it smells like Snow Fairy. Beautiful, beautiful product, but I would wish that it just wasn't as pigmented because your body kind of goes a bit pink. But these are really great. These are brilliant for Christmas time. Really lovely product. 10 out of 10 Lush. Delightful. Next up, we have the Pearl Massage Bar. This one to me smelled like rose jam. It does smell like rose jam. It's so good. It's a really beautiful, sweet, floral rose smell. It's not overly floral where it smells like a garden, because you guys know I hate that sort of smell, but this smells like rose jam shower gel, which I used this morning, and I've just realised how much I'm obsessed with rose jam. Oh, it's such a beautiful smell. Again, I don't know actually which ones of these you can buy anymore. I know that a lot of the massage bars did get discontinued, whether that's because they're reformulating them, I don't know, but that is happening at the moment, which is really sad. But yes, that one is amazing. Next up, we have this. Now, I believe this was the Strawberry Fields massage bar. Correct me if I'm wrong. Smells like D-Fluff shaving soap, which was one of my absolute favourite products, but it smells like a very sweet fake strawberry smell. It doesn't smell like fresh strawberries. It is definitely like a fake strawberry smell, but it smells really beautiful. It kind of takes me back to working there. Like, it's such a nostalgic smell to me. So lovely. I absolutely love the smell of that. I wish they would bring more things out in that scent because it's just so lovely and amazing and sweet and wonderful. So yeah. Next up is this one. I believe this was the Tender as the Night massage bar. Correct me if I'm wrong. This one, oh, it's one of my favourite smells. It smells like sherbet, like orange lemon sherbet. So beautiful. Such a summery, like sweet fruity smell. Looks like a little nose. But that smells absolutely incredible. I love the smell of that. Again, oh, 10 out of 10. I don't think they make this one anymore either, but this one was really, really brilliant and it smells beautiful. Love it. Next up we have the Therapy Massage Bar. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but when I used to work there I was told that the little bumps in this was because 1 in every 4 babies were born with an outie belly button, and this one is really good for pregnant women to help with stretch marks and things like that. So a brilliant product. Smell wise, it's not overly powering. I think when you are pregnant you have to be quite careful with scents. I could be wrong, but I think certain fragrances can induce labour and stuff like that. I think it's jasmine maybe, I can't quite remember, but it's a very subtle floral smell, really beautiful. I think anybody would love this because it's not evasive, in their face kind of smell. Really lovely, amazing. My bedroom smells unreal, so love that for me. The next massage bar is another one which I think came out for Valentine's Day. I could be wrong, and I think it was the Love massage bar. I am not sure. I cannot remember for the life of me when I got this or what it was called, but this smells, oh, Karma scented? Karma scented. That's lovely. Beautiful. I do like Karma. It reminds me of my mum because my mum loves Karma. That smells absolutely stunning. Really fruity, really floral. It's very like incensey, that kind of vibe. I love it. I used to hate the smell of Karma, but now my mum wears it. Like I say, it's very like nostalgic and like nice, so love that. The next one is this. Now I believe again this came up for Valentine's Day. I cannot remember what this was called. Banana something. I know that one of you guys did comment this on one of my videos and told me what this was called, but I cannot remember. But it smells not like banana. It smells kind of like a spa, I don't know how to describe it. A spa vibe. Really beautiful though, such a beautiful subtle spa smell. But I can't remember what this is called. Can any of you guys remember? I cannot remember what it was called, when it came out, what I bought it for. I feel like it was Valentine's Day, but now I can't remember. I feel like Valentine's Day is the time of year where they kind of bring out quite a few massage bars. So yeah, if you know that one, let me know down below because I can't for the life of me remember what that's called. So yeah, I'm really sorry if you feel like I am rushing through these, but I have quite a few and I don't want this video to be like an hour long, so we're just whizzing through them in a very quick manner, so I hope that's okay. Next up is this one. Now I've just realised that the pointy one I think was from Dusk Till Dawn and this was Tender as the Night. I think that was where I got confused, but this is a beautiful massage bar, super oily and super soft. Like if I just touch it, can you see my fingers are already oily from the oils? This is so nice. This one is a very subtle floral smell, a little bit more gardeny than kind of like the pearl one. But this one is so melty. It's such a beautiful consistency. I'd much prefer the massage bars like this when they melt to touch really quick because they're so much easier to use on the skin. I tend to use massage bars as like a body lotion type thing, so that for me is a lot better. And that smells insane. Love that one. I think that if you haven't tried it, would really recommend it because it's such a beautiful fragrance and just all round amazing. The next one is definitely an old one. This one was made in 2017, no judgment, and this was from the Lush kitchen, and this is the Karma. I'm not going to unwrap it because it is wrapped incredibly beautifully and I've not even used it yet. Love that noise, such an ASMR sound, love it. But I can actually tell you what's in this one. This one has shea butter, coconut oil, patchouli oil, orange oil, lavender oil, pine oil, lemongrass oil, and it smells like Karma, pure Karma, the same as the other one. Very floral, very fruity, very incense vibes. Delish. Love that. The next one is this. This one came out, I believe, was it for like Easter or Mother's Day or something? This one smells so good. Now it kind of smells like cookies. I'm not too sure whether it originally smelled like cookies or not, but there's a very cookie foodie vibe. Really stunning, really beautiful. But I cannot remember what this one was called either. So please let me know down below what the banana was called, what the bear was called, because I can't remember for the life of me. I swear my brain is like a sieve at the moment. I just can't remember. Next up we have this gingerbread man. I believe he came out a few years ago and he's got dusting powder inside. He came out for Christmas, smells like gingerbread, but it's more of a spicy gingerbread as opposed to like a gingerbread cake biscuit kind of smell, which I personally would prefer. Absolutely stunning. The only thing with these that I don't really like is the concept. I know that sounds really stupid, but I feel like I'm rarely going to rub this on myself, then pour powder on myself, and it's just a lot of faff and it's not really my vibe, but he smells great. And he's a little gingerbread man. So cute. The next one is another one which came out for Valentine's Day, I believe, and it's this one. Again, I have no idea what this one was called, but It does smell like rose argan, so maybe it was just the rose argan massage bar, I don't know, but it has a beautiful rose on it. I really need to start getting through these because I forget that I have them because they go at the back of a drawer. I just forget that they're there, but it smells incredible. I absolutely love rose argan. It's so underrated, I feel, and as of recently I've been using it a lot more, like the body conditioner and the shower gel. Delicious. So that is another one of my favourites. Love that smell. The next one is incredibly old. Please no judgment. I think I bought this when I was at university and I forgot I had it, but it's this one. Now I know it looks absolutely rancid and I do need to use it because I think it's melted and then solidified in my drawer from when it was really hot in the summer, but this is super melty. Still smells absolutely beautiful. It's like very, very sweet, but this used to be a little white heart, so let me know if you guys know what this one was called. It's very melty. Like, this was like the OG massage bar kind of texture where it literally melts to touch, but that smells stunning. I need to use that one. I might leave that one out because I think I need to start getting through these a little bit quicker, but that one is amazing. Let me know what it was called. I can't remember. Any of you OG Lush fans out there need to tell me because I have no clue. And last but by no means least is another Valentine's Day one, and it was this one. This one came out a couple years ago, I believe. This one smells, I think, like Tender is the Night, I want to say. Is it jasmine? I can't remember now. It's definitely more of a floral smell and it's not rose jam. I think it might be jasmine. Tender is the Night smell. But this one, again, was a Valentine's Day edition. I think Valentine's Day seems to be the perfect time for a massage bar, so maybe that's why they bring them out all the time. But yeah, so that is the last one of my collection. I told you guys I had too many. I have too many. So that is everything for this video. Please let me know down below if you know any of the names of the ones that I don't know, and also let me know your favourite massage bar because I would love to know. And this video has been really helpful for me because it's made me realise that I need to start using these because I have far too many for one person, so I'm gonna have to start doing that for sure. Also, please don't forget to check out the link in the description for the Ana Luisa website. I don't get any commission from that whatsoever, but obviously the segment at the start of the video was sponsored, so I would really appreciate it if you would check them out and show them some love and support because they are absolutely amazing. And obviously it's buy one get one for 60% off, which is incredible, so make sure you check it out. I believe it's until the 29th of November, so you have some time to kind of shop and enjoy, and yeah, so make sure you do that. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to let me know down below your favourite massage bars. I would love to know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.